Hey y'all. So, ended up not working today, still laid off, switching jobs. So they got to move equipment and whatnot, and just get rid of all the text messages. But anyways, so I'm just doing work around the farm today. Gotta do some mechanic work on a tractor. I had to go in and re-get a part because they gave us the wrong part, so had to get the right one. So me and little Peta, Peta, you gotta go to town? She was my little buddy, my little helper. So we went into town, got the right part. So we're just heading home now to fix the tractor, get it put back together. And Chelsea texted me, I guess New York is having a big snowstorm come in, and today her flight to come home tomorrow just got canceled. So that kind of sucks in a way, so she's got to figure out what she's going to do. So yeah, she just keep me posted. She might get stuck in New York for another day. I don't know. Her friend she's with might want to come home tonight, so we'll just kind of see what happens there. But anyways, if she comes home tonight, we're in deep crap because we made a mess of the house and we gotta clean that crap up. So now I'm just in a hurry to get my stuff done and get a vlog up today. I still haven't done that. She's probably gonna be on me for that. So anyways, we got a bunch of crap to do, messed up the house, we gotta clean it. It's just stuff guys do when the wife takes off. We just mess up the house, and it's always a good idea to clean that crap up before she gets back. Finito! Got her all put back together, all in one piece. Dad will be happy, he's got his tractor back. And I can stop hearing about it. So, now on to project number 2 for the day. Get my water bottle. So, project number 1 was a complete success. After snafu on the parts, we got the right one, got to put in, easy peasy like. So now on to the fun, destruction, driving equipment. So I'm gonna put the little skid steer to work. Alright, we'll see if we can remember how to run this stupid thing now. Turn on that until it beeps. Nothing. Okay. Oh, let's start over. Whoa! We're going! Some wipers. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now that we can see if we can. Oh, we don't need the AC on. We'll turn off the park. Oh, look at that little backup camera. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, moves. Bucket up. A little faster. Alright, we'll see. Oh, there we go. We're in reverse. See if we can not take out anything. Oh, hola guys. So just a status update. Chelsea is going to be stuck in New York for another day. I guess whatever snowstorm is coming in there. They canceled her flight like I told you earlier. And they weren't able to get on an earlier flight. But she got on a flight for, was it Wednesday morning? Yeah, Wednesday morning. So, she'll be home Wednesday. So I just have another day here, myself, alone. So, anyways, that's what's going on there. I finally got my office clean. Look at this. Oh, there's a floor pack. Kind of got to straighten up that a little bit more, but got to put that light back together. Bright sucker. But yeah, got this cleaned up. Now I just have to clean up that though, because I just took everything out of here, put it in that room. So it's clean in here, but not out there. So I gotta get that cleaned up before Chelsea gets back. It's still raining. It is still raining. I'm about tired of this freaking rain. So, ended up working on redecking a trailer for a few hours a day in the rain, and just, holy moly, did I get soaking wet. Found out my raincoat, it's not a very good one. So, call it quits and get in another workout today. I did a 3-mile run this morning for breakfast to get my metabolism going. So this is the workout I got drawn up. Going to incorporate shooting my bow in it. So kind of getting ready for bear season and the train to hunt competition season. Oh, there it is. Oh, string. So we're gonna get that dialed in. I just picked up this new release, True Ball, kind of some back tension release, a little different than I'm used to, but I think I like it. Just getting used to it. See if I'm gonna use it for when I go hunting. But check out that workout. I think I'm gonna post the whole thing on my other channel, me doing it. So head over to Mark the Hunter 6, is it 6? Or Mark the Hunter. I think the link's in our page thing, so you can check out that workout, see how it goes. But yeah, we're gonna get this workout in, get it done. Oh, yeah, get it done. In the freaking rain, tired of the rain. I got a confession to make. I have to check my man card in today, because today at the grocery store, I was walking around, and since Chelsea wasn't here, I went through the seafood section, and I had to buy the steelhead. Instead of being a man and going out and catching it myself in a river like I should have, I bought one from a store. So that's what's for dinner tonight, so I'm pretty excited about it. So I'm gonna rub it down with some of this avocado coconut oil, put some Himalayan pink salt on it, then put some sriracha. This Cabela seasoning's awesome. Sriracha and onion rub. Now I'm gonna top it with some jalapenos and onions. And then for my veggies, I just bought this mix tray. It's got onions, peppers, zucchinis, all kinds of good stuff in it. So we're gonna fry that up in the cast iron skillet. So it should be pretty good. Oh yeah, then we're gonna top it off with avocado. Can't forget the avocado. So that's what I'm doing tonight for dinner. Chelsea's missing out. Actually, she probably wouldn't think she's missing out because she doesn't like seafood. I don't know why. It's just like, I don't know why. Seafood is so good. You have to eat the seafood. Just eat the fish. It's healthy. Get all kinds of good omega-3s and all of those omegas. It's just good stuff. So, that's what we're doing tonight. Making dinner. Just a nice, easy, kind of worked on cleaning the kitchen a little bit. Straightening it up. Get it there. And there's Elvis. And there's PETA. Hey, what are you doing? Ready for mommy to come home? Yeah? You ready for mommy to come home? Are you? Are you ready? So, we gotta get the house straightened up before she gets here tomorrow. I am signing off for now. Chelsea will be back. The vlogs will become better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Who's the one forgetting their lines? You. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future adventures. And we'll see you in our next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good.